Hello, this is a brief tutorial on how to use MedlinePlus. MedlinePlus is produced by the National Library of Medicine and is freely available for everyone to use. This database is a good resource for information on the latest medical treatment, learning about a drug or supplement, and looking up medical terminology definitions. There are a few things that I'll cover while using MedlinePlus. The first is how to search. So there's a few different ways you can go about this. The first way is you can click up here on one of their headings, and I'm going to click on Health Topics. On the Health Topics, it'll let you search for a disease or illness, health condition through an A to Z listing, or you can search by body location and systems, disorders and conditions, diagnosis and therapy, and other different areas. For my example, I'm going to click here on Digestive System. And you can see it does a little diagram about what the digestive system is. And then also below we'll break it up to different pains, disorders, cancers, and diseases. So you can go through here, and if you click on one of them, it'll take you to a health topics page. The other way you can search is by clicking up here on the right-hand side in the search box. For my example, I'm going to use Crohn's disease. I'm going to click right here, and you can see it pulled up a health topic page and then also a list of results. So my list of results, I got 546. And you can see the different resources that it pulled out. So we have a lot of MedlinePlus.gov and then a few other outside sources. So if you wanted to narrow these down, you can also refine by type and then PDF images. But another way you can do it is search through site. So if you're looking, especially if you're looking for something from a specific resource, so if you type in site, and you do colon, and this is where you can type in, so if you're just interested in things from MedlinePlus.gov, you could type in MedlinePlus.gov or another site. But for my example, I'm just going to do .org. So this should just pull up results from sites from .org, and it did. So I'm going to click the first one, Crohn's disease, and it'll open up to a new page, and it's going to take me to radiologyinfo.org for patients, and we can see a brief description of what Crohn's disease is and how it's diagnosed and diseases treated. Now if we go back to the MedlinePlus page, and if we get rid of the site.org, let's take a look at the health topics page. So with the health topics page, it gives a brief summary about what Crohn's disease is and where you can get started, and talks about diagnosis and treatments and therapies. You can see right here it goes to other outside sources and how to live with and other related issues. If you keep scrolling down, we'll see some information on research, clinical trials that are available, and then also journal articles. So under journal articles, it's going to highlight a few selected articles that those at the National Library of Medicine found. But if you click here under See More, it'll open up to a PubMed page. So you can see here it did the search for us. So you can see Crohn's disease heading and the different types of sources. It's looking for review and guidelines of clinical trials or patient education handouts. If you keep scrolling, you can go under Search Details on the right-hand side. If you click here on See More, we can see the whole search string, and then we can also do some editing on it. So let's say that I'm interested, I want to expand it, and I want to do Crohn's, add the S in there. I'll close that. And then I want to, so you can see it's only going to cover a year, 2016 to 2015. I want to see if there's any newer research. So I'm going to do 2018. And I'll do search. So we see the current result list is 131. So let's see if that increases our results. It does, 211. So we can always continue editing to see if we can narrow that search results. But at least it does the major work for us. So clicking through here to see if there's any articles that are freely available for us to view. So that is my brief introduction to how to search and access information through MedlinePlus.